everybody, welcome back to Kelly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. I came out with some stinking cute new merchandise in different styles and colors. You can find the link to my merchandise in the description box below. So what do I have going on for today? Today I am bringing to you a Halloween wreath that is so stinking cute, and just about everything you need for this wreath you can get at the Dollar Tree. So let's jump into it. Let me show you what I have in mind for a Halloween wreath using Dollar Tree items.
For this Halloween DIY, I will be using 2 packs of Dollar Tree's maple leaves, 1 of these foam birds, 1 bunch of this silver heather. I'll also be using a can of this black spray paint that you can get at Walmart for 97 cents, and 1 of Dollar Tree's wire wreath rings. Starting this DIY off, I'm going to take both packs of my maple leaves. There are 50 in each pack, so I will be using 100 maple leaves. And using my black spray paint, I'm going to spray paint all of my maple leaves black. When spray painting your leaves, if you hold your can farther away and spray paint like you would typically do with anything that you spray paint because you don't want drip marks, I found that the leaves kind of blow. So if you take and you hold the can closer and spray them closer, the leaves don't blow away. I did this individually to each leaf, and it really didn't take me very much time at all. And once the paint got onto the tarp, my leaves kind of stuck to the tarp, and it kind of helped them from moving around so much. I'm going to spray paint both packs of maple leaves black, which is 100 maple leaves total. I've got all 100 leaves painted. I only needed to paint these leaves on one side because the leaves were so thin that when I painted them, it just kind of seeped through and completely made the leaves black. And using my hot glue gun, I'm going to hot glue all of these leaves around the wire wreath ring, completely covering all the wire. Now I'm going to take the decorative foam owl and I'm going to spray paint it black as well. And there you have it. I'm going with the all black theme for this wreath because I want to go for that spooky, dreary Halloween feel. And so in order to help the bird stand out a bit, I'm going to take the silver tops off of this bouquet. And I thought that I'd hot glue them around the bird to help make the bird stand out just a bit and to give this wreath just a touch of color. And that there is all there is to this wreath. Let's go hang this up and see how it looks. This is such a quick and easy Halloween wreath. I love the way this turned out, and what better way to use those autumn and fall leaves that you picked up from Walmart or the Dollar Tree that you have lying around that you don't know what to do with. Spray some spray paint on them and make it a Halloween wreath. Today's shout outs going out to Shannon W, Rick 3 Mama, Stephanie Johnson, Sandy Norlock, Jill Bailey, and Gina Lola.
Tell me that this wreath was not so stinking easy to do. There really wasn't much to it at all, and the outcome is stinking adorable, and it is so festive. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes, because those thumbs up really do help my channel, and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.